Well, this is my view sitting here at my chair. 3 digs for tonight. We'll get the fire on soon, the barbecue. The barbecue will be good nice with some burgers.
You recording me, Mark?
Yeah. Here we have it, folks. The one and only Scottish Wanderer.
Mark's back from his hibernation.
I am
Where have you
indeed.
been, Mark?
Ah, you know, just working away, taking life easy.
Somebody said that Mark was away in alone. Is that true, Mark?
Away and alone?
Yeah, away in Alaska.
Oh.
You've been following for some like prepper show. That's what I was told.
Really?
Is that true?
Cannot confirm nor deny.
Who knows, eh?
But we're here at Loch Rannoch for the night. Ain't this stunning? We've been here before. I brought my chair this time, make sure I get comfy. That's the Kentucky camping chair from Go Outdoors. I also got that about 5 years ago. It's like for £15. We'll have the little fire logs on the go with the barbecue. Got some burgers, rolls, cheese. Not eating too much these days anyway. Just take life a bit easier. Obviously Stuart's got the tent there, the Hilleberg Solo. I've got the Terra Nova Southern Cross 2 in the woods. We're just getting camped in. Light nights mean we don't need to worry too much about burning daylight. So we've got ourselves camped up. That's us pitched our tents. Time to sit back and enjoy this for free. Ain't it beautiful? Yeah, I haven't really been out at all since back in February with the meet-up up Aviemore way. Just busy working away and just getting on with other things. It's always in there to get back out and that, and I just kind of feel that it's a long rush with the long drives with a couple of days off each week from work. But right now I've got 3 weeks off. I'm getting as much in camping the next week, and the following week I'm away in pilgrimage to Medjugorje. Now my channel's doing great with that, being the top video now, and the more I'm getting in the pilgrimage it's going to be great, so I really cannot wait to get that on the channel. I'm going to get as much as I can over there. Apparently it's 40 odd degrees heat, so this is 26 here, and yeah, it's just nice right now. This is enough for me. I don't know what Stuart's playing at keeping all his stuff open with the amount of midges about here. Like you say to him, nice little setup nonetheless. Quite like that Alp kit Matt has got. I'm keeping mine well zipped up until it's time to get in. But the hammock's a nice touch, it really is. Don't know what's happening with the gimbal. I haven't had it out since February. Connects to the phone fine and all the functions work on it, but the gimbal itself is timing out after 30 seconds to a minute. If anyone's got the same issue, then please let me know if there's a fix. So I'm just using my hand now on the mobile, but not letting it spoil the night, spoil the atmosphere. Excuse me. I'm fighting an infection in the throat. I've started antibiotics from yesterday, so if I'm not coming across too clear or sounding stuffy, that's why. It's just very peaceful. We're talking 10 to 7, and this is what we're looking out to. Absolutely stunning. Let me just swap over here. So Stuart's got his chair over. We'll have the barbecue started within an hour probably. We'll get a couple of log burners to take us through a few hours. Just have the atmosphere with the fire and such. He's getting on with his own videoing. Sometimes he's hard to work with when you try to do your own thing, but he's behaving so far. He did here. Yeah, so I haven't been out probably since February with the guys up in Aviemore. The video you'd have seen. The last time I was in Rannoch Moor was I think maybe last autumn or something like that. So I'll put the link with the videos there for the ones I'm mentioning. So he's got the barbecue on. Burgers will be coming soon enough once this kicks in, settles. Can he beat it?